What's going on, everybody? We got another 15-minute low impact ride for you. This is for beginners, or just as kind of a cool down ride if you need it on top of your other workout here. Go ahead and just warm it on up. Again, if you're new to riding, you're new to indoor cycling, I got here my Schwinn IC4. It's perfect bike for anything. It has that resistance right there. Make sure you, again, if it's your first time riding on whatever bike you have, if you have the same bike as me or if you have a different bike, always make sure you got feel resistance against those legs. Never drop that down. Never drop anything, gears, whatever it is, down to that zero. Okay, you always want to make sure you feel something against those legs. It's going to be bad for the knees, and it's just going to cause you injuries down the line. So form. Make sure your feet are nice and flat. Knees are bending forward. Slight bend in your elbows when you're holding those handlebars. Shoulders relaxed. Keep it breathing. Keep the airway open. Keep a water next to you. It makes it more convenient for when you have to grab some water to stay hydrated. You don't want to always have to get off your bike, get on your bike just to grab that water. Keep it breathing, nice and easy here. Your resistance, it's going to feel like a flat road here. So again, never drop it all the way to zero, but put a little bit of resistance on it. Just nice and easy. Again, this is a low impact ride, so you're just going to do what you can. We're not going to be standing. We're just going to be pushing some speed and slightly a little bit more resistance during the whole ride here. Anytime during the ride. If you need a little breather, you need to take a break, that's okay. Take that break. I want you to take those breaks. But then again, I still want you to push yourself. So don't take so many breaks that it's compromising your workout. You just want to take enough just to bring down the body. Just if you're out of breath, if you're feeling it too much, take a breather, that's okay. So right now, working that speed here, we're picking it up. We're gonna be around 85 to 100 RPMs. RPMs is revolutions per minute. If your monitor does not have the RPMs on it, that's okay. It's gonna be about a jog pace here, okay? Imagine if you're running outside, it's a jog pace. Picking those knees up, nice and even, nice and balanced on both sides. We don't want one leg dominating the ride. Okay, so we want to stay balanced both. Nice and comfortable. Picking up a little bit more speed here. I want you to get about 10 to 15 more RPMs out of those legs. So it's gonna start getting into a faster jog pace here. Right now, my RPMs are around 100 right now, 100 RPMs. Again, this is the Schwinn IC4. If you're using that same bike, go ahead and stay with me. If you have a different bike, you're gonna be at a fast-paced jog. Keep it breathing. Add a little bit more resistance. Keep pushing those legs. Again, make sure you always have that good form. Good riding form is perfect for your workout. We don't want to compromise form just to get speed out. We don't want to compromise form just to push heavier resistance. It's all about that balance. Good job, everybody. Keep it going. Nice and easy. Make sure those feet are flat. Make sure your ride is comfortable. Again, if you're new to your bike, you're new to indoor cycling, make sure it's a comfortable ride. Going to add a little bit more resistance. As we add more resistance, it's going to start slowing us down, but that's okay. We want to just push our legs a little bit more. Working the quads, working those hamstrings, pushing and pulling evenly with both legs. Again, never lock out the elbows. Keep that chest, keep the airway open. Keep it breathing. Awesome job. How are we doing so far? Keep breathing, keep it working. Add a little bit more resistance. I'm adding about a quarter turn of my dial. But again, you choose how much resistance you want to add. I just want you to add a little bit more. I just want you working a little bit harder. Breathing heavier. Pushing those legs. As we increase resistance, Again, make sure those feet are flat. Sometimes we want to point those toes just to dig in a little bit deeper, just to work it a little bit harder. Put a little more power into it. Try not to do that. Try to maintain flat feet the whole time. We're going to be here for about 30 more seconds, and then we'll pull back on the resistance, and we start picking up a little more speed. Make sure those hips, that bottom right there on the widest part of your seat. Again, this is low impact. This is just us staying seated the whole time. No standing. All right, pull off some resistance. Give me that flat road again. Just right where we started from. And we pick up that speed. So as we decrease that resistance, you increase speed. You're working endurance, you're working at cardio. Keep those grips nice and loose here. Nice job, everybody. Again, we're back to that fast-paced jog. Pick those feet up. Move those legs. Keep it going, nice smooth circles. Even on both sides. Keep that chest open. Okay, don't be crouched over, don't be slouched down. Don't be tight, locked up. Nice, comfortable, nice and loose. In 30 seconds, we're gonna pick up the pace a little bit more. We're gonna get into a quicker jog, close to a sprint. All right, so RPMs are gonna get closer to that 100 or higher. Keep it breathing. Just work it. Working that endurance. 10 seconds, and we pick up a little more speed. Give me a little bit more effort. All right, here we go. Pick those feet up. Move those knees. Faster pace jog. Almost to that sprint. We're here for 1 minute. 1 minute. How long can you last for that? If you can last for that full minute, do so. If you need a little break during that 1 minute, take it. But then join right back in when you're ready, and then finish strong. Nice and smooth. Control the body, control the balance. You're controlling the legs as much as you're controlling the upper body. I'm not swaying side to side here, okay? I'm not adding in all this. Nice and comfortable, nice and relaxed. 20 seconds. Keep that pace going. If you're sprinting it still, good. I want you to last as long as you can for that 1 minute. Almost there. Pull back, catch the breath. Nice job. How we doing so far? Good job, everybody. Keep it going. Catch the breath here, okay? Catch the breath. Nice comfortable speed here. Active rest. I'm still moving those legs. I didn't stop them to take that break. I keep those legs going at a comfortable speed. All right, here we go. We're gonna start in another sprint. Pick that speed up. Here we go. 100 RPMs or higher. Sprinting pace here. Move those legs. Get those knees up. Here for another minute. Feel those legs work. Breathe in. Maybe you're sweating by now. That is good. You're working it. You're challenging yourselves. You're pushing yourselves. Excellent job. Keep it going. 30 seconds left. Can you go faster than that first sprint we did? That is up to you. That is your challenge. That's my challenge to you, is to push harder, push faster. But again, maintain form, maintain control. 15 seconds. Nice job, everybody. Keep it going, keep going. Keep it breathing, almost there. And pull back. Good job. How we do? Did we last longer than we did on the first sprint? Was it the same? Did you work harder? Did you go faster? Remember, that's all those challenges. When you take my rides, when you do my workout, All challenges for yourselves. In the end, it becomes all you. It's all you. Determination, motivation. Whatever you have right up inside of here, inside your head, that's what keeps you going. Or that's what you're working for. Remember that. All right, add some resistance. I did about a half a turn of my dial. Gets a little bit heavier. I'm still working. I'm still pushing. I'm still sweating. Nice job. Make sure those knees stay forward. As we get more tired, we tend to lose form. Try not to do that. Try to stay strong the whole amount of time. All right, so we want to think of it. Your bike is a box. You keep the elbows in, nice and tight. You keep the knees in, pointing forward. No wide knees, no narrow knees, okay? Right there in the box, nice and parallel with each other. Keep it going. Add a little bit more resistance. Get a little bit heavier. It slows you down. I want you working the strength here. Strengthen those legs. Strengthen the quads, those hamstrings, and the glutes. Enough resistance that it slows you down. Slower than a jog pace here, okay? Keep breathing. Keep going. Nice work, everybody. Push through it. And breathe. Sweat. Burn those calories. Here for 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. All right, go ahead and pull out that resistance back to a flat road. Nice, comfortable speed. Good job. Keep going, though. Keep it breathing. Keep those legs moving. Grab water if you need to. But if you don't need that water, keep going. Awesome job. Push and pull those legs. Get ready. We're gonna go one more resistance. Small climb here, okay? We're gonna add a little bit more than we did previously. Build up a little more strength in those legs and that lower body. All right, give me a full turn of the dial. Add some resistance. Get it back to heavy. Imagine you're walking through mud. All right, that's how fast or slow I want you going. You're pedaling through mud. It's sticky. It slows us down. It makes us work harder. Nice job, everybody. Great job. You're gonna get a little bit more resistance, okay? A little bit more. I did a quarter turn of the dial for 30 seconds here. Dig deep, push and pull. Get through that mud. Get over that hill, okay? Almost there, everybody. Almost there. Almost through it. All right, pull back some resistance. Pick up some speed. Back to a jog. Jog for 30 seconds. One more final sprint. Last stretch. 15 seconds and we start that sprint. Good job, everybody. Sweat's dripping, breathing heavy, working hard. Here we go. Pick up some speed now. Get me to that sprint. All the way, final minute here. Down that stretch. Keep breathing. Can we go faster? If you have energy built up in you, release it all now. All the way till the end. Move those legs. Move those feet. How are we doing? Are we working hard? Are we pushing our speed here? Pushing that endurance, pushing that cardio? I hope so. You guys are awesome. Keep going. Don't stop yet. 20 seconds left. Almost there. Push it all the way. 10 seconds. Final 10. And pull back. Good job, everybody. Pull back the speed. Pull back the effort. Loosen up the resistance. Nice job today. Catch the breath. Now we cool down. Slowing down the breathing, slowing down the body. Wipe some sweat. Grab that water. Excellent job today, everybody. Again, if you need a little bit more, check out the rest of my rides. I got a variety of them. I got some sprints, I got some hills, I got some HIIT. Alright, so if you need a little bit more after this 15, go ahead and check out the other ones. Keep it going for now. We're gonna start cooling it down and then we'll get a little stretch out. Awesome job. How we do? How many breaks did you guys take? Let me know in the comments below how many breaks it took you to get through this ride. Okay, and then next time around, next few days, try this workout again and try and get less breaks. Okay, that's how you're gonna make your progress. You're gonna do less breaks, you're gonna give me more effort each time. All right, gonna stop your pedaling. We're gonna stop it evenly, both sides. Feet are flat, heel back, heels down, look up. Lengthen out the body, lengthen out those legs. Stretching out the calves, stretching out the quads by lengthening the legs, relaxing the upper body. Take those hips back. Hands come forward, back is nice and flat. Heels down still, balance. If you're having trouble balancing on that bike, put some resistance back on. Add a little bit more resistance. Bring it back up. Switch your stance, opposite foot back. Heels back. Look up one more time. Slow the breath. Hips back, hands forward. Reach those hands past those handlebars. Stretching out the upper back. Hamstrings here. Take a seat. Taking one arm over. Pull in the elbow. Stretch out the shoulder. Alright. You work a little bit of upper body. Not so much when we're seated, but you work a little bit just holding onto those handlebars. Go ahead and switch sides. Good job today, everybody. Slowing it down. Breathe in. I hope you enjoyed this ride. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, reach those hands up, chin down. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It shows me so much love on YouTube when you do that. And it also stays up to date with all my workouts that I release. Bring those hands forward. If you want to check out any other my other workouts, I got some boot camp with some weights. I got no weights equipment, no equipment required workouts. I got some cardio. No running, it's just cardio that you can do inside your home. Pull it back, chin up. Alright, bring your hands right back up one more time. Inhale the breath. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale. Exhale. One more time, inhale. Exhale. And relax. Alright, again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And let me know in the comments below how many breaks it took you during this ride. And check out the rest of my channel. Until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flex, and have a great rest of your workout.